If you like this video, please give it a like and click that subscribe button.
I cannot swim. I can, you know, like doggy paddle and get around.
So as long as you do 2 minutes, I'm happy. It goes up to...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be undecorating from Christmas and doing some cleanup. I am very excited to get my house back to normal. Also, if you saw in the description, there will be a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned to see what that's all about. Okay guys, now it's time for the information on the giveaway. I will be giving away one of the Grove Collaborative Sensational Sink Strainers, like the green one that you see here. It will be a new one, it won't be that one. I will also be giving away a dish soap and a hand soap, also from Grove Collaborative, the Mrs. Meyers in the scent Peppermint. All you need to do to be entered is subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment that you are subscribed, and follow me on Instagram at livingblessed1. I will leave this open until January 5th, and then I will pick a winner. Good luck!
Hiding in the sand on Mars, hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand, fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. 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 Call it a Call it a day.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows
'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it